Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of building HTML. We are building a portfolio using HTML and CSS. This is a simple portfolio we are building. This is for the beginners. Okay, so in the last video, we have built this navigation bar and this about me section and just started with the my education. So we will continue from here in this video. So my education, what we are going to add is this two. Okay, we can add a icon. Instead we can add a image. Okay, save image as, let's say, here only I'll add, and here there is no image, so we'll add the same image for now. Okay, and what we can do, I'll just close this. Yeah, what we need to add, this is in, we will going to use some link, or instead here we don't want any link, so we will add h2, and this is in p, and this and this thing. Okay, and we will add the same thing here. So let's now add here in one. First I'll take one div. Here I'll have one image, which is what, mks this, or you can say logo. Let's check how it is looking. Yeah, here you can see it is okay, good. Now we need one more div, and we don't need it at down. We know we need it on the right side. Okay, so if I write div1, here you can see it is coming below, but we want on the right side. So what we will do is, for this box, what for this box we are going to do this thing: display flex, justify content center. Okay, instead of center, what we can do is, let me just use display flex. Now fine, right? I don't want in any center wind. Okay, now first I want what, for this div, for this box. Okay, in this box, and in this div, let's say I'll write box one. No, box one has so many properties, right? No, we will add one more as, or instead I want to add a padding actually to this div. So anyway, I need a class here. Class, I'll write description. Okay, and I want to add padding to this description. Dot padding 20 pixel. Okay, now here what we need is, we need one h2. I'll use this name. This I can write here. Okay, um yeah, and we need this description. Okay, I'll use this, and I'll use here as a p. Okay, here what we have, computer, no computer, only 2020 2. Okay, BTech Computer Engineering. So I'll write here Computer Engineering. Okay, and here I want P 2020 to 2024, and I'll write here style color gray. Yeah, and we want grade 9.17, right? So I'll reuse one more P grade 9.17. Now this is fine. Okay, so similarly we have to write for this. So for now I'll just copy paste this, and even the image, as we have the only one image. Okay, so this is my education. Here here what I'll do, I'll just okay, I'll add this much. Just see sans, and here it will be it was 18 to 20, and I'll write 84. Yeah, okay, fine. Even we don't need this much this space as well, this padding. So for box we can reduce the padding. For box we can reduce the padding to 2%. Yeah, this is fine, right? So now this is my education done. Now my projects. What we will do is we'll add one more section on this H1 primary, my projects, and I can write in the same way as this, but just what? Just horizontally. This is what vertical, but I want horizontally. So I can use the same thing. Okay, instead I'll write one more section. I forgot to write class project. Let's say I'm going to add 3 projects, so I'll write proj proj. Okay, so here I'll write proj1, proj2, proj3. Okay, here you can see. Now what I want, same thing but horizontally. So I'll use what? This box class. I can use this box class. So okay. I can use this box class only. Yeah. But as I want horizontal, what I have to do? For project I have to write some CSS that display flex. So this under this, whatever there whatever are there, it will display in a flex, and which in let's see which we will use. Display flex. Okay, now justify content space between or a space around. Yeah, this is fine, right? We will set a width, let's say um for this box, instead of that I'll write here width, or I'll write 30 rem. We'll write width later. First we'll add the content. Okay, then we will decide what will be our width. So I'll use this sample projects which I might have added in my college time. Not all projects are here anyway, but that is fine. So I will add some. Okay, here we have. I will add this movie recommendation system. If I click on this, it is redirecting to my GitHub. So we will also do the same thing. Okay, so here I'll use H2, then P, where I'll mention this, and after that I'll use. Okay, I can show one link, or okay, we will add one link A, show project, and the link we will give is this in href. Oh, hmm. Now here we'll add some description like this. Okay, let's check how it is looking. Okay, as you can see, this is showing in this way because here we had like this. So anyway, we have to write another class. Proj. As some have some different properties. So I want same background color, same thing. Uh, Justify content center. But I don't want to display flex only. This is fine. Now if I add others also here in project 2 and project 3. Okay, you can see my projects. If I click on this, okay, I'll open link in new tab. Here you can see we are going on this GitHub link. Okay, so similarly you can add another projects, like I'll add this thing. Okay, you can refer these projects. I built these projects in my college second year. Yeah, 2022 is my second year only. After that, I'm not sure if I'm updated this LinkedIn. So these are the second year projects. You can check it out if you are in a second year and want to build. Yeah. Okay. And one more I want. If you want to know how I built this movie recommendation system, payment system, and this hospital, this was, I guess, only Java. So if you want to know detail about this project, let me know in the comment section. I will sure create a video on that. Okay, here you can see what the width of this is changing. So we will add the fixed width. I can write here also. Yeah. So again, instead of this show project, what we can do is we'll write a CSS for this dot proj, and in that a. Okay, in that a, what we will write is just a minute. Oh, yeah. In that a, we will use background color as, let's say, I'll use something like this. Sword. Okay. Um, this only, but little darker shade will use. Okay, fine, no issue. Again, we will remove this text decoration. It's none. Okay, and we'll add some padding to it. Padding 5 pixel. Okay, now I'll add. I want to add margin also. Okay. Mm, um, border radius is 10 pixel too much. Let's check. Fine. If I click on this, if I click on this button, or we can add this at the end instead of in the middle. Okay, it's looking weird. So we can just add this here. Let's check. Yeah, fine. And instead of this, you can add it in the center using the center. Okay, so this is how we added our projects. Okay, now done with the project. Add different links. This is a project. Okay, now what? Connect with me. What you will add is, one is the your LinkedIn profile, another is your GitHub profile, and uh, you can add what your, here you can see connect with me, LinkedIn, Insta, lead code, GFG. I have added these things. You can add anything. So now we will add LinkedIn and GitHub. Okay, so again same thing here. Connect with me. Okay, we can use same this thing, and yes, I'll use this box. I'll use this block box. Hmm? Now here what we will do, we'll add icons different. So we can add, okay, or image, we will add image. Okay, so here what we will do is in my image, okay, this I'll just remove. In a tag, we'll add a link and in this image. Okay, so source will be LinkedIn. Let's check. Yeah. And similarly, mm, what again GitHub. Okay, and I want width. Here what I can do is directly add a width. Mm, instead of width, what I want here. Hmm, and it's width. I want image width, not the div width. Let's say 100, no, 50 pixel. Let's check. Two. Um, mm, yeah, too much, right? 150 will add. Okay, fine. Same for this. Okay, and we can have some. I can add some padding. Okay, in style padding. This is a inline CSS. Okay, padding 5 pixel. Okay, now okay, fine. We have no issue. So connect with me. If I click on this, I should redirect to its LinkedIn page. So I'll use this my profile. The here href and for my GitHub. Here. Okay, so if I save and come here, if I click on LinkedIn, it is redirected to my LinkedIn. If I click on GitHub, it is redirecting to GitHub. Now, now one more thing. If I click on home, okay, it should be here only. If I click on about me, same. If I my education, my project connect. So what I can do is let's check. I want to try one thing. I guess we have to give a ID. We have to give a ID actually here. Mm, that means it should go to this education. If I give ID as let's check if I used anywhere education. No, right? Okay. If I click on education, it came to here. Okay, because my education, This is not under our section education, so that is why it came to here. Okay, so you can add similarly for connect. Okay, here just change to id and connect. So if I do hash to it, if I click on connect, if I click, okay, so it came to this connect with me section. If I click on my projects, it should come to this section. Do that by yourself. Okay, so this much we have done. So this is a simple portfolio. This you can build in your first year. Okay, so this is a basic thing you can build by yourself if you know HTML CSS. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay updated.